When you focus on serving, there is no fear in you. Focus on where you want to go, not on what you fear. If you don't take the time to focus on what matters, then you're living a life of someone else's design. Goals are like magnets. They'll attract the things that make them come true. Your life is controlled by what you focus on. That's why you need to focus on where you want to go. We can immediately command when we focus all of our resources on mastering a single area of our lives. Where focus goes, energy flows. Whatever you consistently think about and focus upon, you move toward. Focus on execution, rather than just the idea. Whatever you focus on is what you get. People who fail focus on what they will have to go through. People who succeed focus on what it will feel like at the end. Leaders focus on what they can control, what they have, and what they want. At any moment in time, our reality is based on whatever we focus on. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. The only thing keeping you from what you want is your story about why you can't have it. Yesterday does not equal tomorrow. Forget the past and move towards your goals. No one ever achieved a goal by being interested in its achievement. One must be committed. Keep your goals in front of you and your fears behind you. How am I going to live today in order to create the tomorrow I'm committed to? It's not about the goal. It's about becoming the type of person that can accomplish the goal. With goals, you can create the future in advance.